Welcome to a new Checkbuster tutorial. Today I will show you how to download and share your report. Go to your inspection overview and select Done to see the inspections that are finished. Click on whatever inspection you want to see the report of. First you will see a nice screen with the inspections score. On the bottom you will see two buttons. Click on View Report. Now you are in your report. Here you can scroll through your inspection. On the bottom of the screen you will see three new buttons. One to share the report, one to download the report, and one to change it. If you click on the one to change it, you can change the settings of the report. You can add your own logo, make a selection of what you want to include, and change the introduction text. You can even change the font color, size, and header. Let's go back to share and download. If you click on download, you can either download the report as a PDF or a Word file. Now let's go back to share. Click on the share button. You can share the report now with whoever you want. You just have to enter the email you want to send it to. I hope you learned something from this new tutorial. Make sure you install our new Checkbuster Next app. Checkbuster. Inspect and report, share, and improve